If you've imported our project into Eclipse, you're going to see our GitOscar project here. Let's go ahead and expand this. First, we'll just navigate to src, and in this video I'm going to be showing you our GUI for GitOscar. So we'll see main.java in this package. Let's go ahead and open it. We'll run this program as a Java application. So let's take a look at the GUI. So we do have options before we begin searching. We have a start and end date for the movies. We have an awards list. These are just pretty much categories for each of the movies as well in this GUI. So we have non-winners, winners only, or all nominees. So let's go ahead and run a search from 1990 to 2000. We won't pick a category, but we'll search for winners only. Now, what you're going to be seeing when you run a search are these separated columns. These are basically movie data straight from the database. These columns here are just printed, and they have not been modified in any way. None of the data except for the film name, or where it says for film here. Now, these movie names are blue because they are links that will run a search for you. Now, when you click on this link, it is going to go to Google. Now, this functionality basically shows you where you can watch the movie, and that was part of our goal in creating this project. And let's go ahead and run another search. We'll do all the years. We'll say, how about for makeup? We'll do non-winners only. We can run the search as well, kind of in the same format, but that's all for our GUI, and that's how it works. What about REST? Now I'm going to show you how to use our REST endpoints and how to search for movies and categories on the database. So once again, we're going to have our GitOscar project open. We'll go ahead and expand this. You'll see here we have Spring Boot GitOscar. This is our REST API created through Maven. And then you'll see here Spring Boot GitOscar application. We'll open this and then go ahead and run it. We'll come over to Postman, and you'll see that the server itself is running on the port 8080. So make sure that's there. We'll go to /home first. It's going to give you some of the information about what's available. We have help me search here. So let's check this out. Some of the information, it's documented here, and we have some searches ready to go, so I'll just go ahead and run them. So we'll go to /categories first. Yes, it is going to print all the categories we have on the database. Next, we'll do a filtered search. We're going to go to /categories, but we're going to select one of these categories here. I believe it's writing right there. We'll set it as writing, and then we'll actually get a result for all the award nominees under the category of writing. Now let's go to all movies. We'll just go /movies on this one. And yes, it is gonna print all the movies available on the database. Once again, it's quite a long list. Now, how do we filter this? Well, we can run a filtered search in the same way we did categories. We'll go to /movies, select what actor we want, so it's going to be Tom Hanks, and we're going to set the starting year to 1990. So we'll send that, and we can see here all of the movies are beyond 1990, and the nominee himself is Tom Hanks.